The next topic under time series is method of least square, and in the previous classes we have solved the problems on the method of moving averages, and now we are going to solve the problems on the method of least square. And these are the conditions for the knowledge purpose, where summation y minus y bar equals 0, summation y minus y bar whole square is the least. Okay, and it is the problem under least square method, where fit a straight line trend for the following data by the method of least square and estimate the production for 2010. So we have to follow the method of least square and we have to estimate, that means find out the production for 2010. So in the question they will be giving years and production values, and in this question they have given the 2003, 4, 5, 6, 7 years production, and we have to find out the production for 2010 here. Okay, so first we have to find out the x values. How to write x values here? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 years of production they have given. So we have to write 0 for the middle number. Okay, for the middle number here 5 is there, 5 values, middle number is 81. So we have to write 0 for 81. Then downwards we have to write positive natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. And upwards you have to write negative natural numbers, that is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so on. Okay, and then we have to find out x square. X square means x into x. So here minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4, minus 1 into minus 1, that is 1, and 0 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, 2. So summation, that means adding all the x square values you will get summation x square as 10. Then you have to find out xy values, that is x into y. Production will be your y value. So x into y, that is 70 into minus 2, that is here no sign is plus sign only, so plus into minus, minus 70 into 2, 140. Then again plus into minus, 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 then 74 into 1, 74. 81 into 0, 0. 86 into 1, 86. 89 into 2, 178. And summation xy, total of xy, summation xy will be 50. Okay, so here y column, production column will be your y column, that is summation y will be 400. And the next column we have to find out the trend value. The last column is trend value. We have to find out the trend value for 2010. So first we need to find out all the trend values for these many years. So for that we need to follow the equation under least square, that is y equals a plus bx. The equation under least square method is y equals a plus bx. Okay, so here by following this equation we can find out the production for 2010. Before that we have to know value of a and value of b. So here to find out value of a and value of b, there are two normal equations, that is summation y equals na plus b summation x, and second equation is summation xy equals a summation x plus b summation x square. Okay, from the first equation you can substitute the a value, that is see here from the first equation you can get the a value, a equals summation y divided by n, where you have to ignore the b term. So a equals summation y divided by n. And in the second equation, from the second equation you can get b value, that is b equals summation xy divided by summation x square, where you have to ignore the a term. So the formula for a and b is a equals summation y divided by n, b equals summation xy divided by summation x square. Now see here we have to substitute the a and b formula. So a equals summation y divided by n. So summation y value, what we got, summation y value is 400 and divided by n. N means number of years. Number of years is 5. So summation y, that is 400 divided by 5 is 80. So a equals 80 and b is summation xy divided by summation x square. That is summation xy, what you got here, summation xy you got 50. So 50 divided by summation x square 10. So 50 divided by 10 you will get 5. So a is 80, b equals 5. So now you can find out the trend value by the equation, that is y equals a plus bx. So here for the first year, that is 2003, a is 80, b is 5, x value for 2003, x value is minus 2. So minus 2, 80 plus into minus, minus 5 into 2, 10. So 80 minus 10, 70. Then for 2004, again a plus bx, a is 80, b is 5, x value is for 2004, x value is minus 1. So minus 1. So 80 plus into minus, minus 5 into 1, 5. So 80 minus 5, 75. Then again for 2005, 2006, 2007 you have to substitute as you done here. For all the years you have to do like this only. So you will get the values as 80, 85, 90 and the total trend value will be 400. Okay. And then we have to find out the production for 2010 here. So for the 2010, same a plus b x, a is 80, b is 5, x value. How to write x value for 2010? We have only for 2000 till 2007 we know x value. Then 2008, 9, 10 you don't know. For see here we have to write natural numbers, right? So 1, 2. Then for 2008 will be 3, 2009 will be 4, 2010 will be 5, right? So 2008 x value will be 5. So 80 plus 5 plus into plus 5 into 5, 25. So 80 plus 25, 105. So 2010 value will be, production value will be 105.